Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create ending credits on CapCut PC. So if you go to text here and add in your default text, you're just going to add the ending credits here, which I have right now. Can I not make it smaller? No. I can just scale it down a little bit so you guys can see. Obviously this is just like an example. You do have to kind of add in spaces in between some of them. This is just me doing that right now. And then let me just scale it down a little bit more. My god, okay, this is just an example, okay? It's not supposed to be messy. And then you're just going to make the duration a little bit longer, and then we're going to put it kind of here. Then I am going to go to media, and then I need the background here. I think I was supposed to add this one on. I'm lagging. Okay, I'm just going to modify this a little bit. Okay, sorry. Place it on top, and then I'm going to also freeze frame it till the end of the credits. Go to mask, and then actually you can just add the mask to the text, but I'm just gonna do this instead. And then I'm going to reverse it. Actually, let's use film strip. Let me just see. Oh, it's the other way around. Reverse that. Okay, and then go back to your text, and you're going to add a keyframe here. And then kind of at the end, you're just going to bring your credits up. Make sure it's still in the middle though, like that. And that is pretty much it really. If you want it to move longer, just make the duration longer and move the keyframe to the end here so it's longer. Well, slower. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.